Hello friends, I am Janvi Panchal. I am management student. My father does a business and my mother is a housewife. I am doing MBA from K School of Business Management at Gujarat University. This is my final year and I got very good placement from my college. I am doing job at T Post Private Limited company in which I am divisional operation manager. I stand in my life with very confident because I had a very wonderful and great journey in English speaking course named IUC Institute. I have completed my English speaking course in 2014. I proud on myself that I was student of IUC Institute because that journey was turning point of my life in right direction with success. IUC Institute changed my life completely. Because of this, I got this opportunity. Mr. Mahendra Dekate, who is owner of IUC Institute, he got award for best English teacher also. He is having very supportive, caring and friendly nature. He teaches English very well and in very easy manner. He feels that all the students of IUC Institute are like family. He tells stories, jokes, etc. so students can get fun also. So I want to tell you my personal experience about English subject. I was very weak in English and because of this I get less marks in my result. So I had no idea about where to use verb plus ing, all the tenses, and I was not able to speak more than 2 sentences in English language. So I got very confused and I decided to start English speaking course at IUC Institute. Everybody knows about alphabet, Baraksari, name of the days, months, fruits, flowers, etc. But Mahendra sir starts from alphabet to speak English very fluently because it makes our basic strong. He takes daily, weekly, monthly test also to check that what you have actually learned, right? So if any error occurs, he'll solve it immediately. This course also covers verbs, auxiliary verbs, adjectives, parts of the speech, direct, indirect, notice writing, message writing and many more. So here students learn first of all words because without vocabulary you cannot speak English, right? So slowly and gradually students can start to speak English in 2 sentences, then 3 sentences, and slowly and gradually they can speak in English fluently in front of number of people. So it also includes stage performance also to remove the stage fear because some students can understand English but cannot speak English, right? So in this area they can speak English very fluently in front of number of people without fear. There is group discussion also in which students interact with each other. So it increases their speaking skill, then communication skill, listening skill, etc. There is personality development course also in which students can get motivation, inspiration, then be ambitious in their life. So before 6 years ago when I had completed my English speaking course, I started to speak in English, right? But some people were used to laugh on me that I was showing off. But these people nowadays are asked for me a job. They tell me that please suggest us something and please help us to get a job, right? So at that time I completely ignore them and I focus on my area. So I want to tell you a very basic thing that company will hire that employee who is having a very good communication skill, listening skill, leadership skill, etc. So IUC Institute is very right platform and very good platform to learn the English. So I like to conclude that please never lose the hope from your dream. Every day comes with very different opportunity. Please do hard work as well as smart work, right? So because this world is going too fast and you have to cope up with it and be on the top. You'll face many problems in your life, but please never and never compromise with your dream. Mahendra sir supported me in my difficult time too much and right now I am standing because of only and only him, right? So please guys hurry up and join IUC Institute because this is very good platform to learn the English and be a part of this wonderful family. Thank you very much for listening me attentively.
For more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.